Hello, my name is Florian and I'm a software engineer at Sunbirds. Today we're going to see how to change flight modes. So right here on the left you have mode, and then you can choose between three different flight modes: manual, stabilize and mission. In manual you will have direct input from your remote control, so this mode is only used by expert drone pilots. Then in stabilized, the drone angles will be limited and the drone will stabilize itself when there is no input from the remote control. Lastly, the mission flight mode will launch the mission on the drone. To change the mode, you only have to push the buttons. So there I switch to stabilized and there to mission. As you can see on the top, you always have the flight modes of the drone. To choose mission flight mode, you will need to have a valid mission on your drone. You can also change the flight modes directly with your remote control. In order to change the flight mode on the radio, use the flight mode switch here. So from manual to stabilized to automatic mode, then you can get back to stabilized and then to manual. As you can hear, you always have a feedback from the radio, so you always know in which flight mode you are.